And the third one is value-based actions. It's recommitting to living the life you want even when tinnitus is still present. So it's not about kind of like positive thinking. I've talked about the pink elephant analogy, right? Don't think of a pink elephant for the next 3 seconds. It's impossible not to. The same way, it's impossible to force yourself to think positive feelings and just forget about your tinnitus. It's not possible. And it's about retraining your brain to not constantly focus on your tinnitus, to not always have the same repetitive behavior that I mentioned at the start that actually fuels your loop and reactivity constantly, and your nervous system to feel that you're safe and sound, and learning that you can experience tinnitus without constantly having to tune into it. So when you stop avoiding tinnitus and start relating to it differently, your brain no longer flags it as a constant threat and something that constantly reduces your quality of life.